Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan and this week's restoration was supposed to come online next Sunday. As I was preparing to cut my video for this week, which was a nice CAG model, I discovered that I had made a stupid mistake and lost all my video footage. However, I will post the before and after pictures on my social media. So this model moved up a week, and at the same time it's another premiere for the channel, as this is the first Politoys model on my workbench. The honor is for this Fiat 500 made in the early 70s. Politoys was an Italian toy manufacturer established in 1960. They started out making plastic cars, but around 1964 they started making diecast models in direct competition with the two other well-known Italian diecast brands Mercury and Toys. Around 1970, Politoys changed its name to Polysteel. Apart from toy robots, dolls and toys based on TV series, Polysteel continued making diecast cars in various scales. They were also one of the first diecast companies to make large-scale models with their S-series, which varied between 1/22nd and 1/25th scale. Their only competitor in that scale was Toys, which would later become Burago. But back to the old Politoys and this Fiat 500. The model used to be white, but now it's almost buckling under a thick layer of red paint, which covers all the details. And even the opening doors have been painted shut. The window is scratched up and stained with paint, and one of the window pillars is broken. I will also try to do something about these ugly little wheels. So I'll get out the tools and give this model a makeover. Since I lost the footage for this week's model, I had to move this model up 1 week. The Politoys Fiat 500 is a nice little 1/43 scale model that had its shortcomings, like the poorly detailed interior and the ugly wheels. One of its previous owners tried to improve it a bit with red paint, but only made things worse. And here's our Fiat 500 after the makeover. The turquoise paint looks very nice and period accurate on this car. I repaired the broken window pillar and brought out a few details to give it some more realism. And although the new wheels are not accurate, they do improve the look of the model by a lot. If you enjoy my videos, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.